I'm Tim Stewart from Visual Decisions, and I've spent decades helping companies transform their supply chains using cutting edge digital tools. Over the next 20 minutes, we'll explore how you can maximize the value from your smart manufacturing implementation. Let's get started. Success in any transformation effort doesn't happen by chance. It's the result of well planned strategy, clear objectives, and engaged teams. Whether your organization is looking to improve efficiency, enhance quality, or reduce downtime, having a structured approach ensures that your efforts are aligned with long term business goals. This guide lays out a practical framework for implementing smart manufacturing in a way that drives adoption, optimizes processes, and delivers measurable results. Transformation isn't just about technology, it's about people and processes. A clear vision, well communicated strategy, and cross functional collaboration are the foundation of any successful initiative. By taking stock of where you are today, identifying key gaps, and developing a step by step roadmap, you can ensure progress without any unnecessary roadblocks. From laying the groundwork and getting the fundamentals right to ensuring widespread adoption and measuring success. This checklist will help your organization navigate change with confidence. The following sections outline essential steps to guide your transformation journey. One quick note, the checklist we'll review today is our top level checklist. If you'd like the one with additional detail, reach out to me after the talk and let me know. Every successful initiative starts with a clear vision. What's the goal? Are we aiming to boost efficiency, enhance quality, or cut downtime? Getting crystal clear on the why aligns the effort with the bigger business objectives. Think of it as setting your company's true north, a guiding principle that ensures every step moves in the right direction. A well thought out business case is essential, outlining expected ROI, productivity gains, and the cultural shift needed for lasting success. Before diving in, take stock of where things stand today. Use frameworks like Sesame's Smart Manufacturing Assessment and Roadmap to evaluate your current capabilities and pinpoint gaps between where you are today and where you want to be. Highlight quick wins that can show immediate results while also mapping out long term innovation opportunities. A solid roadmap lays the groundwork for success. Break implementation into clear phases with milestones, aligning each step with strategic goals. Identify critical success factors and potential risks early on to avoid surprises. Just as important, bring stakeholders into the loop. Communicate the vision across departments, operations, IT, engineering, finance, etc., and create opportunities for cross functional collaboration. Facilitating workshops and gathering input early ensures smoother buy in. Change doesn't happen overnight, and managing it well is the key to a smooth transition. Follow established models like John Cotter's 8 step framework to drive engagement at every level. Keep communication consistent and transparent, share success stories to maintain momentum, and identify champions to help push the initiative forward. Good project management makes all the difference also. Choose the right methodology, agile, Prince 2, waterfall, depending on your needs and your company standards. Assign clear roles and responsibilities, set accountability measures, and monitor progress closely. Tools like Jira and projects can help keep things on track, ensuring deadlines and budgets don't spiral out of control. Collaboration is also key. Set up structural communication channels with regular updates and reviews. Get external partners like suppliers and customers involved where it's relevant, and use tools to help keep interaction seamless. Technology choices can make or break long-term success. Plan a multi-year strategy that aligns with company goals. Ensure new tech integrates well with existing systems. Avoid dead-end technologies and opt for scalable, adaptable solutions. Lean on Sesame's principles or similar guidelines to ensure solid decision making. I've mentioned Sesame a couple of times. That is the official US Smart Manufacturing Institute. Real adoption happens when behaviors change. Clearly define what's expected from each role, then design training programs that build the right skills and habits. Use nudges and incentives to encourage consistent use of new tools, and don't forget to celebrate milestones to keep morale high. Standardized work practices bring consistency and efficiency, develop clear SOPs, ensure leadership models with the right behaviors, and provide ongoing training to reinforce best practices. Making data visible is a game changer. Deploy dashboards, live monitors, and visual controls that provide real time insights. Highlight key performance indicators like downtime and quality metrics where everyone can see them. Use visual storytelling to make challenges and opportunities obvious. Engaging teams through participation is crucial. Encourage employees to take ownership of data driven decisions. Schedule regular team review sessions. Think something like TPM Tuesdays to analyze data and drive action. Foster cross department brainstorming sessions to surface new solutions. Also address concerns upfront to build trust. Employees may worry about surveillance or monitoring. Acknowledge these concerns and reinforce that the goal is continuous improvement, not micromanagement. Transparency and involvement create a culture of empowerment rather than fear. Optimizing manufacturing processes means breaking them down and improving them step by step. Focus on four key principles: enhance, simplify, automate, and standardize. And embrace those and utilize them wherever you can to simplify the process. Integrating digital lean practices takes efficiency to the next level. Use IoT and data insights to fuel continuous improvement. Automate data collection and analysis for faster problem resolution, and implement real-time feedback loops to optimize lean initiatives. Maintenance practices need an upgrade also. Predictive maintenance helps anticipate and resolve equipment issues before they become problems. Data-driven preventive maintenance solutions uh, allows you to schedule the downtime to avoid high production timeframes, and also use augmented reality or AI for diagnostics when troubleshooting to make it faster and easier. Leadership must evolve alongside technology. Bring real-time data into key leadership activities like Gemba walks and performance reviews. Establishing a data management operating system centralizes decision making and ensures alignment. When leaders model the behaviors they expect, adoption becomes second nature. And then beyond manufacturing, beyond the production team itself, other areas stand to benefit as well. In quality, use the data for real-time defect detection and root cause analysis. Within material handling, automate inventory tracking and reduce material movement waste. Product development, IT and OT, finance, HR, all of the different departments within the organization can benefit from the information you're now collecting on the shop floor. Data-driven decision making ensures continuous improvement. Regularly analyzing collected data reveals trends, tracks performance, and highlights areas needing adjustment. Choose the right KPIs and establish a baseline for measurement. Focus on the metrics directly tied to business goals: OEE, scrap rates, downtime, etc. Benchmark the current performance so improvements can be quantified. As the initiative evolves, refine the KPIs to reflect changing priorities. Translating functional metrics into financial impact strengthens the business case. Operational data like cycle time should link back to the cost savings, demonstrating clear ROI to all the stakeholders. Regular audits can help ensure that everything stays on course. Quarterly reviews of progress, adoption rates, and process improvements keep momentum going. Auditing system performance, data accuracy, and user engagement ensures long-term sustainability. Cultural shifts and leadership involvement should also be assessed, with corrective actions implemented as needed. By following this structured approach, organizations can drive meaningful transformation, optimize processes, and set the stage for long-term success. So, some final thoughts. Successful transformation starts with a clear vision, stakeholder alignment, and a structured roadmap. Effective change management, project planning, and collaboration ensure smooth execution, while strategic technology selection supports long-term scalability. Driving adoption requires behavioral change, transparent communication, and engagement across teams to sustain momentum. Optimizing processes through digital lean practices, automation, and predictive maintenance enhances efficiency. Leadership must leverage the real-time data for decision-making, and continuous measurement of key performance indicators ensures sustained success. By linking operational improvements to financial outcomes, organizations can confidently execute change and achieve long-term success. If you'd like help getting started, we strongly recommend the Sesame Smart Manufacturing Assessment and Roadmap as a great way to get started. If you'd like more detail on the overall program or to discuss it with me directly, please follow up through any of the methods on the screen. Also, if you'd like a copy of this checklist or one that contains another level of detail beyond this, I'd be happy to send you a copy. The QR code on the screen will take you to the Visual Decisions website for more info. Thank you.